Hello guys. So guys, today I will show you very important thing. You usually every day you use laptop, desktop or in offices and at home, and sometime you stuck. Your boss asks you, I need the file, but it should be less than 20 MB. Or if you apply somewhere, they give you the option, and the file should be 10 MB. Okay, so in this condition, or we have to attach any of the file, and the file is too big, so we cannot send, so we can reduce the size. No, I'm not talking about the compress, talking about the same video file, but it's the file will be reduced, and it is 250 MB. It will come to 23 MB or 30 MB. Okay, so without wasting our time, let's move to our screen. So guys, in CapCut, if you want to reduce the size, you will open the new project, and then you will upload the video, which video you want to reduce. Suppose because first you have to check the video size, what is now and what is after did these steps. Okay, suppose I download this video, the size of this video is 153 MB. Okay, now I will bring here, and now the video is ready already. Just I will export like the simple way, and usually you use the way for export. Okay, just I change the aspect ratio. Okay, now we check the size. What is the size of this video? The size is 153 MB. Okay, now we start our process. You will click on export, and in export we will change some setting, because yani by default it's the resolution or the other thing is high, so we have to make it low. It will not affect too much on your video. You can see now here you will make it down. Okay, here it's high, you will make it low. Okay, here also you leave it as it is, this one. Okay, now this one also, it's not it doesn't matter, you write MOV or MP4. Okay, and now just export. Now once you will export and you will see the results, so there you will see the big difference, because sometimes different
Hey
organizations
everyone.
ask about 10 MB or 20 MB, so we have to reduce the resolution. Okay, now you can see now 23. So yani it's a big difference, 153 to 23. Only just we change the resolution, and we change this uh, MP4 to MOV and these things. So it's a big difference. So guys, this is the easiest way on CapCut, and I hope it's clear. If still you have any question, you can ask me in the comment box. Guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe, like, and if you are my old subscriber, so you know what you have to do. Okay guys, so now I will show you how can you reduce the file, the video file with VLC. This one we did with CapCut. Also, I will show you how can you reduce with VLC player. So let's move to our screen. So guys, now this is the VLC player, and in VLC player we will reduce the size of the file. So before, you should know which size you are reducing. Now we will click on file and convert and save. I will remove these previous files, so we will start the new work. Now we'll add the file, suppose this file, and the file size is 153 MB. Then click on Control Save. Here you will change some setting, leave it as it is, this one. You will click on setting. If you want to change the movie extension like MOV or MP4 or MP3, now come here. Here you have to change this setting. and you will do hash 246. Okay, here 5000, you will write 5000, and now you will come on resolution. In resolution you will change something, and you can change the width and the height. If you don't want to change, so just press 0. You can write 1280 or 720, or if you will write 0, so it will be auto again. So here you change, and after that uh, you will come in audio codec. In audio codec you will choose mpg4, okay, and then save. Now where you want to save this, you will give the location where you want to save this. I created the folder, and now I will save this file, yani this file after process here. Okay, so now click on save. Now you will see this barcode here down. Once this barcode will finish, that means your file size has been reduced. Okay, so now we will wait for this barcode, and once it's finished, then you will see the difference. It's a big difference. Yani half of the size it will be. This is the true file. Now you see this is 153 MB. This is 153 MB, and the other file size is the half of the size. So you can go to properties, detail, and you can check here. So also you can, okay guys, so now we again come to the VLC. Now we will try to reduce the size of the multiple files. We will come to the VLC player again, and now this time we will do the same process. Go to converts, and now we will remove this, the old one. So add and select both files, not only one, both files select. So you will see when you will select these two files, it will show you selected multiple files. Click start. You see now there is multiple files selected. Okay, now you will click on start, and then you will see the difference in the size. So guys, now I hope everything will be clear. If still you have any question, any inquiry, you can ask me, and also tell me which topic should I make the video, where you stuck. So because always I say for my channel, all the solutions under one roof. So guys, take care till the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.